Hi everyone, you did it. You made it to the final week. The most important takeaway here that I want you all to be sure you understand is that the last day of class is on Wednesday. The Wednesday is the last day to submit anything, okay? It's a short week, so let's get down to it. In Module 4, we have our learning objectives. And for week 4, we need to be able to clearly communicate our wants and needs while considering the rights of other people. Describe the importance of assertiveness. Compare and contrast assertiveness versus aggression. Learn how to say no. Describe anger management strategies. Differentiate between negative and positive feelings. And describe the critical thinking process. Next, we have our recommended schedule for week 4. And just remember that it does end on Wednesday. Here we have the presentations and resources to help you get through the objectives. You'll download by clicking on each of these arrows to view the PowerPoint for parts 1, 2, and 3. And then I gave you this video to watch. I thought it was really good, and it's how to say no. Okay, here is your final project. We started it in week 3. Now remember, in week 3 I read all of this to you. You should have already submitted your rough draft. Now is the time to make any corrections or add to it. I did mention that I thought the slide presentation was one of the easiest ones to do because it helps you make sure that you hit all of the criteria. And if you followed my advice last time and you made the slides and you just have the words on it and the title, now is the time to include your images. Otherwise, please make corrections and finalize your project for me. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me just double check one more time. We're going to go back to the main module page here. And scrolling down, yep, that is the final project. I just want to congratulate everyone on a job well done. I hope that all of these tools and resources are valuable to you as you move forward in your career process. Everyone needs to know how to create these employment documents, and the interviewing tips are always advantageous for us to conquer. I hope that you enjoyed the class, and again, I enjoyed working with each and every one of you. Good luck in your future endeavors.